Wait, baka ito na ang pinaka-affordable na 4-bedroom house na makukuha mo sa Lancaster, New City at bank foreclose pa. Yes, you heard that right. This is an Adele Inner Lot located here in Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. No bidding, as is where is. Kaya kung unang kumpletong requirements, ikaw agad ang may chance. Property details, lot area 62 square meter, floor area 70 square meter. 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Perfect for growing families who need space and convenience. Selling price 2,115,000. Terms 20% down payment, 80% bank home loan. Kung ipaloan mo for 20 years, pwedeng nasa around 14,000 plus estimated monthly amortization. Oo, ganun siya ka-affordable for a 4-bedroom home. Reminder, bank fees and transfer of title not included. And mode of payment is PDC, MC, cash, or bank home loan. Free house tour assistance available. Kung interesado ka, message us now. Kasi ang mga ganitong foreclosed units, mabilis talagang nauubos. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!